Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, click on Coinbase itself, and then once it launches, it's going to show you the home page where you can see your crypto, and then simply two buttons in the bottom that says buy and sell or transfer. Click on the transfer. From here, you're going to click on send crypto, and then you might be given some options of the recent wallets that you have sent to, but the easiest one would be for your Coinbase wallet to be right there after you connect it. If you haven't managed to connect it, then all you have to do is click transfer, send crypto, and then once you click on it, it will open crypto wallet itself. And then from here, as you can see, select the asset to send, and then you can select whatever asset you would like to send there. Now, if that doesn't work, simply exit the app, go to Coinbase wallet. Once you open your Coinbase wallet, all you have to do is click on this button on the middle, and then from here click on receive. And then from here, as you can see, you have multiple options to copy and paste any of the addresses that you might like. So for example, Solana, we're going to copy that, and then we're going to go back to our Coinbase application, and then from here you're going to click on transfer, send crypto, and then from here you can simply paste it to a clipboard and then connect. And that's it. Once you click on it, now you can send Solana to your Coinbase wallet. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.